Hello, beautiful internet family. My name is Dan Davis, and I'm the creative director here at DansTube.TV, as well as the Fearless Drone Academy, which is the ultimate online drone course for beginners. And I can't stop myself. I've got another giveaway to celebrate 40,000 subscribers on DansTube.TV. Now, this is a collaboration with a really cool company called UAV Coach. So basically, this giveaway is being supplied by UAV Coach. A very, very, very simple giveaway to enter, and you could get a chance to win yourself a brand new drone, which is insane. It's the base model of the Mini SE, so it's not this one, this is mine. You'll get a brand new Mini SE, and it's the base model that comes with the controller, comes with the drone, and then you get the one battery. So you can buy yourself some additional batteries if you need later on. But this is just a great starting point for a lot of people. It also could be a really nice complementary drone. If you've got something a bit more high-end, you might want this for a bit more fun and to fly through tighter gaps and to, be a bit more creative with. Maybe you don't want to do that with your larger drone. So this is basically the kit. You get the drone, one battery, the additional accessories and, extra parts that you get in the box, as well as the base controller as well. So really awesome giveaway. And all you have to do to enter this giveaway, there's 3 criteria for this one, and I will be live streaming the winner. So that will be a random selector wheel, and the winner will be announced live on this channel here. So I'll have a link in the description below to check out the giveaway announcement video when that goes live. But basically all you have to do, first one, subscribe to the UAV Coach YouTube channel. Nice and simple. Second one, subscribe to DansTube.TV. A lot of you would have already done that. Both of us have got our notifications on, so we're gonna see who's subscribed to the channels, and we're gonna be able to cross-check to make sure that you've entered the competition correctly. And then the only other criteria, part 3, is you just have to leave a comment on this video. That's all you have to do. But we want to know why you want to win the Mini SE. So we'd love to hear some stories about, people that maybe have one of those higher end drones, but they want one of the mini drones that could allow them to, experiment with some different kind of flights and some tighter gaps and whatnot. Or maybe you're a beginner, you've never owned a drone, maybe you don't have the money for one. We really want to hear your story as well as to why you would like to win the DJI Mini SE. So it's literally that simple to win this giveaway. The 3 criteria: subscribe to UAV Coach, subscribe to DansTube.TV, and then comment on this video. Nice and simple. The giveaway announcement will go live in probably around 2 weeks from when this video goes live. So basically just keep checking back on DansTube.TV for that announcement video. But I will also have a link in the description below as well as in the comments. So if you want to make sure that you notify yourself when that live stream pops up for you, check that out. Basically, you need to make sure you're watching that live stream because I'm going to be letting you know who won based on the people who have commented. So I'll put all the YouTube channel names into a random selector thing. It's like a picker wheel that just spins around and randomly selects it. So it's nothing to do with me, super random to make sure that everyone has a fair chance. So basically, you just need to make sure that you're ready to go, because at some point when I announce you, I need to connect with that person and then send the details across to make sure that, we can get in touch and we can send that drone across. So just make sure you keep checking back on the channel for that announcement video. Otherwise, if I don't get a response from you in a period of time, we could give you 5 days or something to respond. If we don't hear back from you, unfortunately, we're going to have to choose someone else. So make sure you're active on the channel. And make sure you check out that giveaway announcement video. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Again, a massive thank you to everyone for all of the support. I wanted to make sure I did some epic giveaways on the channel to make sure that I was giving back to all of the people who have helped the channel grow to this point. So I've done 3 giveaways now. I've done the ND filters. They've already been sent out to the winners. I'm just about to announce the tablet winner, which is going to be popping up soon. And now we've got a DJI Mini SE up for grabs. So 3 giveaways to celebrate 40,000 subscribers on the channel. Massive celebration. I wanted to make sure I, did everything I could to give back to the audience. Don't know what I'm going to do when I hit 50,000 subscribers, but that's future Dan's problem. So anyway, thank you everyone. Thank you again for understanding that obviously not everyone can win. There's only a limited amount of prizes that I can give away. But thank you for being patient, and I wish I could give more away to my audience. If you haven't clicked away just yet and you're still watching till the end of this video, nice work, because I actually have a bonus giveaway over on the Fearless Drone Academy's YouTube channel. All you have to do to enter that one is you have to go to the Fearless Drone Academy's website, which is fearlessdrone.academy. Sign up to that newsletter, which will give you a free gift, which is the pre-flight checklist. No strings attached, you just get that for free. You can download it and use it whenever you want. So that's a massive win already, you're getting a free prize. And then what will happen is I'll send you an automated email to let you know where the giveaway video is. So it's gonna be an unlisted giveaway video. You're not gonna be able to see it, you can't search for it, you need to have that link. You need to sign up to the newsletter, you'll get that link, and then you can enter that giveaway. All the details will be in that video over there. So if you want a chance to win some other prizes, then check that out as well. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate all the amazing support. Make sure to show UAV Coach some love because they're doing some awesome stuff. Check out their website, check out their YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe as well. And I'll chat to you in the next one. And again, make sure to check for the giveaway announcement video on this channel here on DansTube.TV. I'll chat to you soon, guys. Peace.